This is CS50W, and this is the project wiki. Um, so my name's Adam, and this is my project. You have the index page, so this is the normal home page. When you go to it, you can see a list of all the entries. If you click one of those entries, it will bring it to the entry. Um, this is the entry page. So as you can see, the markdown content that all of this was originally written in has been converted to its normal HTML format, and it is set up to go to /wiki/ the name of the title page. If we change this right here, it will bring up a different title page. So if we go to CSS, for instance, it will bring up the CSS page. If we change CSS to something like bleh, then we click it. Unfortunately, it could not find that page, and there is an error. So if we go back home, we can, or actually we don't need to go back home, search is on every page, but if we search some pages, we can do, let's do Django, D-J-A-N-G-O. If we search Django, notice it did not need to be case sensitive. It will bring up the page Django if we search it exactly. If we type in DJNG, it will bring up Django as the search results. Also, if we just click, just do O, it will bring up anything with an O. If we type in, again, something that there isn't a page for, it will bring up an error saying that there are no pages matching my search, which will lead me to the next thing, which is the random page. So if I click random page, it will bring me to just a random page. I can keep clicking it. It will bring me to just a random page every time I click it. If I go to new entry, it will bring up a nicely aligned content box with a text area for the markdown content. We can do, let's do Adam, and we will just copy paste what I had already written for this. It's written in Markdown, and if I click submit, it saves it and brings me to this page. If I go to new entry, and now I do the same thing, so I'll type Adam and just put the same content but with a 1 at the end, and click submit, it will bring me an error because this page already exists, so I can't do that anymore. And if I go to another one of those pages, you can see that there is an edit page. So if I click it, and you know what, I don't really like this, I'm going to change it to and I click submit changes. So notice this looks very similar to the, what's it called, to the new page. However, all the content is already filled in for you when you do want to edit, because it would be weird if it wasn't. And so if I click submit changes, you'll now notice it brings me back to the page for Adam, the guy who wrote this code, and created the website instead of this website. Okay, and that is my project.